In this program, I'm mainly a pilot, but sometimes I would do coding. For the past 2 years, we've been doing Vex IQ, which was a lot like this, just not drones, and I really wanted to try it out. Then Miss Swindle got me interested, so I signed up.
So I'm really there as a mentor. I'm there to help them find a passion and realize that they have inside of them what they can do successfully with this program.
In this program, I am a coder. I've always kind of liked this field, so I just pursued it when I got to middle school.
To see them smile and laugh and just grow since we've started this in September to what they're capable of doing now, it warms my heart.
I believe it makes school fun and memorable. Our students are building camaraderie amongst themselves, thus we're turning our kids into thinkers so that they own their own learning.
We actually placed 8 out of 19 teams at the NASA tournament, and that was way more than what we had expected, and we were excited and we learned from it. Success for me is seeing them persevere and seeing them realize that there is a future for this and that there is a future in STEM. When they show that growth and they show interest and they think, oh, well, why don't I do this, and maybe I could do this, and they realize that there's a whole other world open for them. Because we are the only middle school right now doing this, I'm hoping that I can inspire other middle schools to do that as well.
The most fun thing in this club/program is getting to work together with people you wouldn't typically work with. That has been exciting. Also the snacks.
Definitely being around my teammates. They're great and amazing teammates. I cannot ask for better ones.